All right, so in this video, I want to show us how you can position your outfit for capturing, right? For snapping. For some of us who are having issues on how to snap a cloth. So now, before I start, now this is my camera, my normal camera. Now this is my mannequin. So I will shift this one this way. Now, some of us have issues on lightning, how to do lightning. Now, first and foremost, the first thing to do is to make sure you have a white background. As you can see here, we have a white background, right? Then after the white background, now the next thing to do is to make sure you have a frame, any frame of your choice. You can get a frame of your choice or your logo being here, any how you want it. Then your brand name on the wall, however you want it, right? So you can decide to put your frame or your brand name on the wall, your alphabet name on the wall. Then having done that, then you make sure you have a mannequin positioned properly this way. Then after this, you must make sure you have enough lighting. So look at this place. I have my little floodlight that is facing directly towards my mannequin, right? I also have my ring light. Now this will give me a closer view or a closer lightning on the outfit, right? Look at how it's affecting the outfit. Then I have another floor light that will remove or cast away shadows from the main picture. Now, for me to capture, I must make sure I take a position where everything will be able to capture the outfit properly. You can take an angular position this way, right? So once you take an angular position, or you can decide to be at the middle of your ring light while you position to capture. Now, when you are doing this, you make sure that your image is properly set. The area of attention is properly positioned nicely, right? So let me see how to capture now. Then you switch to photo, and then the next to do is to replace your phone in a way that your brand name, your image on the wall will show. You can decide to also have some flowers at the base, but I decided to use my throw pillows at the base. I can decide as well to push this by the sides, just to add little color to the whole picture, right? You can decide to do whatever you want to do, right? Make sure you have enough lighting in your office. Then when you position this way, now it's advisable that you zoom it a bit. Now this zooming gives you a more detailed capturing, right? Then from here you can take a snapshot of your outfit. Now let's look at what we have captured. Now look at the product we have captured, so nicely positioned. You can see how fine this outfit is looking, right? So once you're done doing this, you don't just upload this immediately. The next thing to do as well is to edit. You can decide to use a phone editor, or you can decide to get some apps that will help you edit. But if you want to use a phone editor, you can come to this place and click on this point, then choose filters. Depends on the phone you are using, right? Choose filters that will bring out more detail on the product. Now, any one you didn't fit is the one you are going to use, right? So look at how the filter is changing everything, giving more detailing or more detail to the product, right? So once you're able to get any of these filters on your phone or from app, however, whichever one, you can decide to pick any one of them and use. Then this is how you can capture your products nicely. Then if you are done with this, you can still do, if you're using a Samsung phone, you can still do automatic edits on your picture, or you can still use another app which I will show us how to use, which is called Lenser, right? Lenser to capture your products. Now, for some of us who might be using Snapchat to snap, if you like Snapchat snapping, fine and good. All you need to do is go to your Snapchat, right? Go to your Snapchat, right? To snap. Then when you go to your Snapchat, take the first filter, the one that shows the flower like, or you take the second one. However, then tap on it first before you snap. Tap on it, right? Just tap on it to make sure it focuses properly. So once you use your filter, you go back, you give an angular shot of your product. Don't just stay in the front like this and snap. It's still okay this way, but angular shot will give you a more detail and more coverage and give you a precise capturing of your product. So you can tap this way and then you tap this way, or you can go back, discard, then pick a filter, but make sure the filter you're picking does not alter the original color of your outfit. Make sure it gives you something better or something exact, right? I don't like using the filters that has this trademark or watermark on it. I like to use a plain filter that will not show that this is a Snapchat capture, right? So once you are done doing this, you can just go a bit back, pick any filter of your choice, depends on the phone you are using. So this is okay. Then you go back a bit, then tap on the screen to brighten it up, and then you have your shot this way. So look at how beautiful our capturing is. Then when you do this, you don't just upload this one this way. When you save, right? Now, before you upload, you go to your gallery. You go to your phone gallery, all right? They get the picture. Now you still do editing here. You have to crop this. You have to edit, right? Edit it. Then remove some unwanted areas of your picturing, right? You can remove the light this way and then crop up the base a bit. I think I'm okay with this. And then crop up the side a bit. Crop here as well a bit. And then press. When you have done that, then you press save, right? So you press save. It has saved your picture. Now this will be a pure capturing of your product, how it looks like. Then I'll also make a video on how to use an app called Lensa, and also tell you guys how to use your Facebook to upload and how to make an appropriate upload that will give you visibility, that will give you attraction, likes, and comments. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.